स्टेशनार कॅम्प दवरला एकंदर ब्रीफ म्हाका
PI पेरनेम लोकरे PSI PI सचिन लोकरे आणि एक हेल्थ कॅम्प आपल्या स्टाफा खातीर दवरला. ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट 80 स्टाफ had done their blood sugar level checking, pressure plus ECG plus they are taking sample to check kidney function and liver function. Basically, we police staff are so much busy with the daily work and especially lower staff, they don't bother to check their medical parameters. And sometimes we faint out when a big bandobast or some people are going sick. So this is a good initiative. Till now what the sample they have collected, luckily pressures and basic diabetes is normal, and other sample, blood sample they have collected, I hope it remain normal in all parameters. So this is basically in village Pendya arranging such health camp, and it shows that how much we love our staff, and we wanted that they should be very healthy so that they can perform and ready to face more challenges. Once again, I also thank RG Hospital. They are my friends. Wherever I have arranged so many camps, RG camps are always my partners in arranging health camps. And their reports are also very genuine reports. They do also ophthalmic eye checking also, and all the staff have taken this free health checkup advantage. And thank to RG Hospital who have kind enough to conduct the health camp for the staff of Pendya Police Station. We will also have such camps at Mopa and Malda Police Station also.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
अच्छा सिमी का है? अगर मैं बोलता हम बुला रहे हैं तो वेट कराता ना.
The new Suzuki Avenus, more zip per trip.